Fondata nel 1979.
Founded in 1979, Boston Scientific is committed to saving lives through medical innovative solutions which improve the health for 30 million patients in the world every year. Today it's settled in 115 countries, thanks to the effort of its 41,000 employees, who make available a wide range of medical technologies in the field of cardiology, electrophysiology, endoscopy, urology, neuromodulation and peripheral vascular. In Italy, Boston Scientific is based in Milan and counts up to 400 employees. The IT department handles about 450 mobiles, 350 telephones and 250 tablets. Of course, the management is centralized. Classic technologies, such as Active Directory, are used for computers, as well as more innovative tools, like Azure Active for mobiles. Throughout this technology, it's possible to enroll the device, check the security, push policies, and send apps.
La precedente gestione del comparto telefonico non era ottimale dal punto di vista dell'approvvigionamento del materiale.
The previous management of telephones was lacking in supplying materials, which led to delays in the run to devices. But there was also a foggy management for damages and the end of life of the telephone.
Tutti I punti che ho elencato andavano ad impattare.
Everything I pointed out affected the whole circle of life, and that's why we had to rethink the process.
Inoltre, anche la gestione dell'anagrafica.
Moreover, even the registry of devices was not handled in a proper way, since it was made through Excel sheets spread all over the departments.
Il principale fattore di successo con CHG.
The main element that determined success with CHG was having a solution that took care about the whole circle of life of the product, from supplying to kitting, from preparation to distribution, through problems and the end of life of the product. All this with a unique speaker.
Con CHG ho avuto l'impressione che non stessimo solo disegnando.
My feeling with CHG was that we were not building a project, but we were giving birth to a process that was able to satisfy the user and the IT as well.
Il progetto implementato con CHG.
The project implemented with CHG contemplated 300 devices sent to Boston Scientific Italy users. 300 devices which have been sent over the territory after being prepared and packed with cover, protective glass, charger and all instructions to return the old device.
La distribuzione è avvenuta in maniera facile.
An easy and intuitive distribution took place, while users were informed step by step about what they would have received, not to confuse them.
Questo ci ha permesso di partire.
This gave us the chance to imply TESMA very quickly. TESMA turned out to be an easy but a ductile and pliable solution.
È stato subito ovvio il cambio di passo con questa nuova tecnologia. Ci ha permesso di.
The change of pace was suddenly clear. TESMA allowed us to identify which fields we had to use, and thanks to the product flexibility, we could manage all data together.
Quindi, centri di costo,
cost centers, registry, users, serial numbers, all was at disposal quickly and effectively, also improving the transparency of what we were doing. Feedbacks were positive from all users. First of all, final users who had a new device delivered at home with all instructions to return the old one. Basically, a tailored service for every person in Boston Scientific Italy. The second feedback comes from the back office, finance, IT, general services. Everyone agrees that the management is way clearer and more transparent, with TESMA and products provided by CHG.
Oggi il telefono è uno strumento importante tanto quanto un computer.
Nowadays, the telephone is a tool as important as a computer. Many users would prefer parting from their computer rather than their mobile. CHG saw this feeling and provided a solution which could satisfy requests both from the user and the IT department.